Hey guys, I have an unboxing. Louis Vuitton. I'm in Nashville. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I had a little bit of a regretful purchase. We went to Charleston 2 weekends ago and we went into the little mall on King Street, and I wanted to go into Louis Vuitton because I had this specific bag in mind. It was the Les Sac Plat, I think it's called, the BB size. Us on wait lists, our names, and I was number 27 on the wait list. So to kill time, I walked down to Gucci just to browse. I hadn't really been up on the Gucci collections or seen anything that's caught my eye, but I thought I would just go in and look. And I saw this bag and it was beautiful, and I kind of got duped by the sales associate. He made it seem like it was a one of a kind. Not all the stores got the bag. He got the bag because Charleston's one of their highest earning stores. It's not even online. There's only 2 sent to each store that actually got them. So I felt like all this pressure, but really in the back of my mind, I wanted to get this Louis bag, and I got sucked in and I bought the bag. And it was so expensive. It was even more than the Louis bag, and it was almost pretty much the cost of a Chanel, like a mini Chanel. And then I just had like buyer's remorse because I thought, man, I'm not impulsive when it comes to handbags. Like, it takes a lot of thought and research, and I ask around, I talk to personal shoppers, especially when I'm investing that much in a bag. So it just kind of got to me. And then I got home and I didn't even have like desire to unbox it. So I decided to return it. The only weekend we went to Nashville, we went into the mall again, and we went into Louis, and I wanted to go in and see if they had the actual bag that I wanted, and turns out they didn't have the size that I wanted. They had the style of bag. I'll insert some clips. So again, I was like, oh, it's not the exact one that I had in mind, but I really liked it, and I didn't know it came in that size. It was like, I think the one I wanted was the BB, and this one was the Nano, and it fit my phone and it fit my charger, which when people are like, yeah, but it doesn't fit your phone, that's not a deal breaker for me, because my phone is always in my back pocket or in my hand. It's very, very rare that I keep my phone in my bag. I have the loopy, so it's like very easy for me. I just like loop it on my finger. So it's either in my hand or in the back pocket. So for me, phone not fitting in a bag, not a deal breaker. And when I'm shopping for smaller bags, I really just need it to fit the essentials. So then I was like browsing around, and the Louis in Nashville was stocked, okay? Like more stock than I've seen at a Louis Vuitton in a while since the pandemic, because I feel like they were kind of out of everything. All the stores, they weren't getting what they typically do. And then I saw another bag in the case, and I said, is that like is there a gold chain? Because if there's a gold chain on that bag, I'm gonna freak out. And he goes, no, that's just a wallet. And I was like, oh, because it looked like the Pochette Matisse, which I love that bag. I've always admired it, but to me, everybody has it, so it makes it a little less special. And also, it's a little big for my taste and just my lifestyle and what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm not lugging around a bunch of stuff for the kids. I really just need something for my key, my wallet, like a card case, some lip gloss, you know. So then I was walking around the store with my friend Rachel, and I took her back to show her the wallet, and I'm like, I wish it had a chain because it would be so cute on a chain, like the little Fendi Nanos. I didn't know that Louis Vuitton made these little micro bags. And she goes, there's a chain, you can see it, it's like tucked in. I was like, what? So he pulled the bag out, and then I was between the two, and I had them on, and I took a poll on Instagram. I don't actually know which one won. It was pretty close. So any guesses? You could probably tell by the size of the bag. And we're going to unbox this together because I have not even opened it yet. And I'm just so happy with this. Little drawer. By now you know which bag it is. It's literally so cute. It's so cute. I didn't even know this bag existed. It's called the Micro Matisse. I don't even know if it's online because I had a lot of people message me that they couldn't find this. They were like, what is the name of the bag? I can't find it. He called it the Micro Matisse. Is it on the receipt? Hold on. I can try to tell you the exact name. I could try to link it if I can find it online. Yeah, the receipt says the Micro Matisse MNG. It was $1,900 for those that are curious. And isn't it so cute though? Like, I love that it has the little, it's exactly the Pochette Matisse, but like small. You push these together, it opens up. Out comes the little gold chain, which is really nice. Like even nicer than the Fendi gold. I have one of the Fendi Nanos, and that one's more like a necklace, like delicate necklace chain. This is very like substantial, and it clips on and off. So you could attach it to another clutch or another bag, which is, to me, like when you're spending that much on a bag, to get the most bang out of your buck and be able to repurpose in a sense, like use this chain. Look at the glimmer on there for another bag or a clutch is huge. The inside is like a microfiber, and let me show you. Back is a little bit wider than the front. Here's a Chanel card case, and this fits, but it's tight. I mean, if I'm carrying a bag like this, I'm not carrying a big wallet like that, you know, but I just want to show you for context, like what fits. And then a card case, this one fits in the front. And then here's a lip gloss. Not going to fit. My key fob fits, and probably stick a few sticks of gum in there. But again, like I wouldn't do this. I would more so do card case in the back. Here's a few other card cases. Stony Clover one, like, it's a little tight squeeze, but it does fit and it'll close, and I have the keychain hanging out the side. I did try a Louis Vuitton card case in the store, and that one fit in the back, but it did not fit in the front. So I mean, to me, this is large. This is large for me, considering I have bags smaller than this that I love. As long as it will fit my cards. I don't really carry cash, but I have the option. I can fit my key fob right in here, and then like a little mini lipstick or lip gloss and my key fob. What else do I need, you know? So freaking cute. Like I said, I didn't even know this bag existed. Cute everyday mom bag. It's a cute little bag if you wanted to take to a concert. It's not heavy. And to me, it just seems really special. Oh, I want to tell you, Tara, my friend Tara, when we were in the store, she was like, I bet you could rig the chain to make it like a belt. And it reminded me, remember, if you've been here, I have the little mini, and I've done the same thing. So I was like, ooh, let me try. So I unhooked it, and I was just kind of playing around. When I did this, I can't tell you like how many people came over and were looking at the bag. So I just kind of did it the same way as the Gucci. So I wrapped it underneath the lip, and then I just rehooked to the other side. I'm sure there's a much more eloquent way of doing this, but and then you can do it as a belt bag. So to me, it's like the biggest bang for your buck. You could do it as a belt, or you could do it crossbody. I really like the little lobster clasp too, and I don't know if you can see, there's like a little LV embossing. But you could even do something like this. I just think it's so cute, and there's just so many options. I love little bags like this, just like unexpected little gems. The other thing you could do, I have another little gold D-ring chain from Louis Vuitton that I bought for my BB backpack. Also just completely detach the chain and detach this chain and put that little, it's called a D-ring chain. I have it on my little toiletry 15 right now, and I used it as a clutch when we were in Nashville. You could put a chain like this on here too and just have it like a little wristlet, you know? So it's like a good enough size to do that. So that is the bag that I ended up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I just think it's so cute. It also came in a cream leather, and I was actually considering it, but the guy, the sales associate, was like, if you wear a lot of jeans, just be careful. And then that was all he needed to say. He had me at jeans because I do wear a lot of jeans and the denim rub on it. Plus, I feel like a bag like that is for a very specific look, and vibe. Whereas this, you don't have to think about it. It goes with everything. You can dress it up. You can wear jeans with it, bike shorts, and an oversized graphic tee. I think it's so cute. So very happy. Still have not gotten the Lissac Plaid. Just wasn't meant to be yet, but I still have that bag in the back of my mind. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.